Do you have an IRA as part of your estate plan? While IRAs can be a powerful tool for retirement and wealth transfers, they do come with some unique rules that can lead to costly mistakes. Today, let's talk about how to avoid common estate planning mistakes when dealing with retirement assets. Hi, I'm attorney Aaron Francois, and welcome to Law Simplified, where we make the law work for your family. Now, here are some of the most common mistakes that people make with IRAs and how to avoid them. The first most common mistake is failing to update beneficiaries. Forgetting to update beneficiary designations after major life events like marriage, divorce, or even the birth of a child can cause significant issues. Make sure your designations are current to ensure your IRA passes to the right people. The second common mistake is naming the wrong beneficiaries. Naming your estate as the beneficiary can trigger unintended tax consequences and force the IRA to go through probate. Instead, you want to designate individuals or a trust, depending on your goals, to maintain control while also minimizing taxes. The third common mistake is not using a trust when it's needed. Now, if you have minor children, special needs beneficiaries, or heirs who may not manage their inheritance responsibly, you want to consider naming a trust as your IRA beneficiary. A properly structured trust can provide insight and help protect the funds. Another common mistake is failing to update your estate plan. Congress passed a major law in 2019 called the Secure Act that made some significant updates to the way that retirement accounts and trusts work. So if you have a trust that was created prior to 2020, it would be a really good idea for you to contact your estate planning attorney and see if your documents need to be updated. Another common mistake is ignoring required minimum distributions, also known as RMDs. Heirs often make the mistake with RMDs from inherited IRAs. This can oftentimes lead to penalties or accelerated taxes. Ensure your beneficiaries understand these rules and plan accordingly to avoid tax headaches. We oftentimes recommend that they work with the financial advisor to avoid these types of issues. Another common mistake is overlooking spousal rollover options. If a spouse inherits your IRA, they have unique options like rolling it into their own IRA. Failing to use these strategies can lead to unnecessary taxes or missed opportunities for growth. Avoiding these mistakes requires careful planning and updates to your estate plan. IRAs come with specific rules, and understanding them can save time, money, and stress. If you'd like help to ensure that your IRA is properly planned for, contact us at Avid Esquire Group. We're here to guide you through these important decisions. For more estate planning advice, like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next video.